I have this awesome AMP suit with working joints. It was made in Fusion 360. You can buy this model and print this with all the joints working. Link is in the description. How to create this screw in Fusion 360. I'll use a reference image for this. First I will create the body. I'll also create the threads separately. Then I will add some finishing touches. I'll import the image using Canvas. I'll calibrate the image and set it to like 50 millimeters. Create a sketch. Align the image with the Z-axis. Right click and edit. I'll draw the outer shape of the screw using the spline and the line tool. For this, just follow me. After closing the shape, I'll draw these paths. It will make sense later. To complete the body, I'll use the revolve tool. I'll go to the surface. And create new sketch. A horizontal line and a vertical line like this. Sweep and select the profile and the path and set the twist angle like 6000. I'll go back to the solid and set a thickness to the surface body. I'll set the thickness like 0.2 millimeters. I'll adjust the thread height a bit. I'll use the revolve again to create final shape for the thread. I'll create the plus shape in the top of the screw for the screwdriver. using the rectangle and the circular pattern. And E for extrude and at a little bit of angle. Now I will make threads a bit sharp using the chamfer. And give it to like 0.2 and hit OK. I'll combine the body and the threads using the combine tool. And that's it.